Welcome back, students. In today's session, we will be discussing how to create Python modules. So let us move and let us discuss what modularity is. Modularity means the act of partitioning a program into individual components. So you are trying to split a given big task into smaller, simple subtasks. So the advantage of doing this one, whenever any subtask is needed by some other program, I can able to reuse it. This is what the highest advantage wherein we can see in modularity. It reduces the complexity of any particular program. It creates a number of well documented boundaries within the program. Moreover, let us move on to a problem. Here, the problem which I am going to solve and show it to you is, I am going to create a package with two modules, namely length and mass, under the subheading conversion. Conversion has two steps. One is length, the other one is mass conversion. The program name which I am going to keep is for length conversion is lencon.py. For mass conversion, I'm going to have it as masscon.py. Length conversion has 4 conversions inside the particular module, namely mile to kilometer conversion, kilometer to mile conversion, feet to inches, inches to feet. With respect to mass conversion, I am trying to convert kilogram to ton, ton to kilogram, kilogram to pound, and pound to kilogram. Now let us see how we can create the package practically. So I am in the folder Python programs. This is where I used to type my programs. Here I am trying to make a directory. The directory name is conversion. As you know, within conversion, I am going to have two more subfolders, namely one folder name is a length. I have created another folder within conversion. Now I am trying to create one more folder named mass, right? As of now, I have created one folder named conversion, in which I am having two subfolders, namely length and mass, which do not contain any files, which do not contain. I am opening an empty file. I am trying to save this one in the name init underscore underscore init underscore underscore. I am saving this one. I am saving this one inside the directory named conversion. I am saving this program as a Python file inside the conversion directory. Now this file has been saved. My next step is, I am moving to the directory where I have created the folder called conversion. The conversion folder is in Python programs. There you can see conversion folder is there. And you do have that empty file named underscore underscore init underscore underscore .py. I am just copying this particular empty code. I am pasting it in the directory named mass as well as length. Any package, if we say in Python, it should have this particular file named underscore underscore init underscore underscore. If this is not present, this will not be treated as a package. The intention of the package conversion is we are going to have two sub packages, namely length conversion as well as mass conversion. I have already written the function definitions under the name len con.py in order to save the time. Len conversion does this process. That is, it tries to convert mile to kilometer, kilometer to mile, feet to inches, inches to feet. I have defined these four definitions. We are having only four definitions. We do not have the function call here with respect to the program named lencon.py. See, I have given something in triple quotes inside each and every function. We call this as document string, and when we try to check what this particular package contains or how many functions this particular package contains, this document strings tells us that these are the things, these are the functions which are present there, and this is what the purpose is, and this does this work. This explains clearly. In order to give the user a clear picture, we are using this document string which is given in triple quotes under each and every function definition. Similarly, I have also typed one more program named masscon.py, which converts kilogram to ton, ton to kilogram, kilogram to pound, and pound to kilogram respectively. Here also I have defined the document string so that it can help the user to know what are the functions present inside this particular file named masscon. All right. Okay. I will be saving or I will be cutting the program lencon.py, which is present in f:" my Python programs, to the subfolder which is present in the name length, which is present inside conversion. Similarly, I will be copying masscon.py program from the folder. I will be cutting it. I will be pasting inside the subfolder named mass. I am trying to search for the program. I have typed the program name is len.con. It is there. I am trying to cut this program. I am trying to cut this program, and I am going inside the conversion, inside len. I am trying to paste the particular program. Now it has been pasted. The length conversion program has been pasted inside the sub directory named length. Similarly, I am trying to cut masscon. The program is here. I am trying to cut this one also. Going to the conversion directory, inside mass directory, I am trying to paste this one also. So again, let me repeat. I have searched for those two programs. I have cut those programs, and I have saved those two programs in the respective directories, namely length and mass. We are saving the programs. Just we are compiling those two programs, namely lencon.py as well as masscon.py. Just we are running the program. Since it does not have a function call, we will not be getting an answer. We have to cut the directly directory named conversion, and we have to paste it in site packages. In order to know where site packages, in the ideal command, I am trying to type import sys print sys.path. See, this gives me where this is the place where I have to place my created package, namely conversion. The conversion package has to be copied from here and it has to be pasted inside the site underscore packages. This is where the location is C:, users, admin, app data, local, programs. Thani is the editor I use, library. Inside it, I am having the site packages. There I have to, I am opening the folder. The package is present inside F:, Python programs. Here I am having the directory called conversion. This is the package. In order to make this as a package, I am copying this one. Then in the search bar, I type for Thani. This is the editor which I use. I try to open the location. It is not opening properly. Users, admin, app data. There I stop. Inside app data, local is there. I am double clicking it. Inside local, I am having programs. Inside programs, I am having the editor. Inside the editor, I am having lib. Inside lib, I am having this particular site package. I am pasting this particular package which I have created it. Now I have pasted the package inside the site packages. In order to check whether all these packages which are present in site packages has underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py, just we are randomly clicking a particular folder or a package. Here we can able to see that it has any folder if we check randomly inside the site package. This is asteroid, a package. So there also we can able to see that all packages will be having this one particular file called as init underscore init underscore dot py. Now let us discuss how to run this particular package, and this is our last step. Kindly ensure that len.conf has been saved inside the length subdirectory and you have compiled it or interpreted it. Just you have run the program. Also ensure that the mask conversion, that is mask.py, is saved under the subdirectory named mask. You just run the program. You don't have the function call in these two programs. Now the package has been pasted in the site packages. Now I am trying to use import. The main package name is conversion. The main package name is conversion, inside which I am having main package name as conversion. See, it is not showing any errors. Help, I am trying to give the package name, namely conversion. If I type this one, it says that it is present there inside the site package conversion. Here I do have two sub packages, namely length and mass respectively. My package name is conversion. Inside the package, I am having two sub-package contents, namely length and mass. All right. This is what we are able to see. Now import conversion dot length. Import conversion dot length. When I'm trying to import this package alone, that is this sub package alone, length package alone, I try to check the help of this one. Let us try to check, and then we will try to check how to run this particular package. Yes, it is present there. Inside conversion, I'm having length. I do have one package content named len.con. Len.con is my program name there. So len.con. I am trying to give lencon dot this one. See, we can see what are the functions that are present there. Now you can see whatever I have given in triple quotes there as a document string. It says that the description says that whatever command statement I have given in length here, 1 mile equal to this one, 1 feet equal to this one, it appears there in the description. The name of this particular module is conversion.length.lencon. The description I have given what I am going to do, and then it describes what are the functions present there. Feet to inches. This function converts whatever I have given in triple quotes, it appears as it is. I am specifying how to give the input and how will you be getting the output. It has 4 functions, namely feet to inches, inches to feet, kilometer to mile, mile to kilometer. All the things it has. This is what. How to use this one in our program. Now this has been made as a package. To use this, I am using it as import conversion.length.lencon as L. I am trying to use print L dot. I am having 4 methods there. Mile to kilometer. I am passing a parameter as 100. I can able to get an answer. That is, it converts the given miles to kilometer. Similarly, I can try with all the other functions, namely print L dot inches to feet of, I am giving the same parameter as 100. Let us check whether we are getting the answer. Yes, we are able to get the answer. We have written the proper code for this one and we are able to get the answer. Similarly, I can able to import the other sub package, namely conversion, conversion dot, the other subfolder name is mass, inside which I am having the program named masscon. I am giving it as m. Now, when we use the conversion dot, I am trying to seek the help of this one so that I can check what are the functions which are present there if I am not sure. So help conversion dot masscon gives me, or it gives me what are the functions which are present there. See, now you can see this particular program, the second program. Here, whatever contents I have given there in the triple quotes. All right. It is coming as it is. The name is this one, conversion.mass.masscon. The description is here they have given this as the description, that is whatever which is present in triple quotes as a document string. Each and every function has been defined. for what purpose those functions has been defined. Kg to pound, kg to ton, then pound to kg, ton to kg, all takes a single parameter, and this particular module can be located in this particular site package. This is what they have given. Now, when we want to use this one, we are trying to use print m dot kg to pound, kg to pound, and it takes the input as 75. I'm giving a number. Let us check. So it is giving me pounds, kilogram to pounds as 165 pounds. You are trying to convert kilogram to pound. I hope this particular topic is clear. Thank you for the session.